Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Germany's first F35A reaches final assembly stage at Lockheed Martin facility in Fort Worth, Texas. Lockheed Martin said Germany's first F35A Lightning II aircraft has advanced to the final assembly stage at its Fort Worth, Texas production facility. The aircraft was recently moved along the production line and lifted by an overhead crane into the final assembly station. The airframe entered final assembly with its weight on wheels for the first time after its four main components were joined. These included the wing and the forward, center and aft fuselage sections, which were connected using an electronic mate and alignment system with advanced laser-guided fixtures. In the next phase, the aircraft will receive its engine installation along with control surfaces and final systems. Lockheed Martin said these steps mark a key milestone in the manufacturing process of Germany's next-generation fighter fleet. The development follows a visit by German State Secretary Nils Hilmer to the Fort Worth site in November, when he attended a forward fuselage bulkhead signing. The aircraft is one of the first 8 German F-35s currently being built at the facility, with earlier major assembly work having begun in Marietta, Georgia in December 2024. Following final assembly, the aircraft will undergo painting and finishing processes, including the application of its stealth coating. It is then expected to proceed to its first flight and an official rollout ceremony later this year. Germany has ordered a total of 35 F-35A aircraft as part of its modernization program. The first 8 jets will be delivered to Ebbing Air National Guard Base in Fort Smith, Arkansas, where they will be used for pilot training. Lockheed Martin said the F-35's fifth-generation capabilities, including stealth, advanced sensors and information fusion, are intended to strengthen Germany's defense posture. The aircraft is also designed to enhance interoperability with allied forces as part of a growing European F-35 fleet. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.